Melters, I'm giving away $1,000 this Christmas, and all you need to do is copy this. It actually gets even better because you don't even need to give your partner a full massage. 10 seconds is all I need to see, a minimum of 10 seconds. Just choose one of my techniques, copy it, and show me you doing it. And it could be any one of my techniques. It could be little circular thumbs on the ski jump back here, because that feels, oh my God, so good. It could be heel of palm, pushing into the back of the golf ball. Or it could be as basic of all the basics, contouring. I mean, this is the #1 technique that every couple should know, and you should definitely copy this. It gets even better, because right now as it stands, one person has entered the giveaway. That's it. Like, your chances of winning right now are huge. I had Rachel actually email me yesterday. She's like, Dennis, I've entered the competition. I just want to make sure that I've hit all the requirements right. Because in this giveaway, there are a couple of rules. I want you to go to the giveaway page, link is below, and just have a look at what the entry requirements are. There's not a lot, but you'll understand when you read them. And good news is, Rachel, you're in. I've looked at your video, it's perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for in this giveaway. Now, I did the conversion rates. I don't know if you noticed, but this voice is not US. It's an Aussie accent. I did the conversion because it's $1,000 US that I'm giving away. In Aussie, I wrote this down because I got a memory like a sieve. In Aussie dollars, the conversion is $1,394. That's a lot of money. Even I started thinking, what would I buy for $1,400? I think it'll be clothes, you guys. I need to update my summer wardrobe. Canadian dollars, 1,272. The conversion to pounds, 753 quid. Like, that's a good number. That could do a lot for Christmas time. So I just sent out an email to all melters, letting them know about the competition. I got a flurry of emails back. Reasons why people cannot enter the giveaway. My favorite is, I don't have a partner. Like, I have your videos, Dennis, I have the oil, I have the footstool. You don't need to have all of them. You just need to have an active membership to the videos to enter. But they don't have a partner. You guys, grab your friends. Let them know there's a competition. Get involved. It doesn't need to be an intimate massage. It's only one technique. Or better still, why not use Melt as a way to introduce yourself to someone that you fancy? It's the perfect opener. $1,000 giveaway. All I need to do is massage you. Would you be interested in being a model? We can split the winnings. The chances of winning is pretty high. Who knows, even if you don't win, maybe you get an amazing relationship out of it. Maybe this person that you massage ends up saying, hey, that was amazing. Can I massage you? Why don't we do this more? You might even find your soulmate. Guys, look at the light that's just filtering through. I love this. So I've just moved to Sydney. So this is the new Melt studio. We're going to be here for the next 6 months. I'm going to try to get as much content out for you in this new space. I'm still trying to find where the right place is to film. This is the first of the setups. We need to start all over again. This ain't working for me. By the way, for everyone that's emailed me saying it's a really tough time to massage each other, it is Christmas time. You guys, I've moved my entire life to a city where I know no one. I don't know why I'm nervous. I've done this a lot around the entire world, but I'm really nervous this time. With no support during Christmas time, one of the busiest times during Melt's year.
I don't have anywhere to live. I'll figure it out on the road. It's an adventure.
If I've got time to uproot myself and change like everything my entire life, you've got time to spend 10 seconds massaging your partner. All right, so entries close December 26 at midnight. That's Pacific time. So you've even got the day after Christmas to massage your partner and enter the giveaway. I'll be drawing the winner before the new year. Look, I don't care how good your massage is. I don't care how bad your massage is. This giveaway has got nothing to do with your ability and everything to do with having a go. Just getting your hands on each other this Christmas because it's so good for you. Right, Merry Christmas. I'll see you in the next video.